Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel behind the camera. Now this morning we're in Tyrewood again and we're going to see Miss Topsy, and you'll hear more when we get there. But thank you so much for always, watching us and supporting the work that we do. Okay, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be notified. All right, let's take the journey right now. Alright, so Marcel is just getting some things together because we have some groceries that we are taking to her, compliment of our donors. Want to say thank you so much, and we'll say more in a little while as it relates to that. Alright, so now we are just trying to figure out, how we bring the things up. Alright. Okay, and we're ready now. Oh wow. Alright, so compared to the last time we visited, it's really nice and dry, so shouldn't be too bad this morning. Last time, or yes, it's still a little wet, so we have to be careful because it's a lot of grass on the pathway, so it's slippery. Wow. And guys, Miss Topsy says this is the road that she takes when she's going anywhere. It's unbelievable, at her age, to know that she actually take this track down and back up. Yeah, I realize it's slippery. Wow.
No sun, no reach us.
Wow. Oh my. All right, Marcel, no man, slow down. Oh wow.
Just turn your hand down.
Oh. Just do the journey and done, that's true. Oh. It's a tough hill, guys. Oh boy. Oh. Oh wow. Oh. Man, finally. Oh Lord. We really had to wait until the weekend to do this one. Oh wow. Because it's a bit hectic during the week. So, Okay, that dog. Marcel, wait for me. Oh my God. It's a bad dog. Wow, Miss Topsy.
Good morning.
Morning. Oh my God. How things? Miss Topsy, how are you?
Not too bad.
Okay, all right. So I don't know if you want to get your chair if you sit down. Because we are going to talk to you a little bit. She said, eh. Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy. Miss Topsy said the dog don't have no name. Everybody just call him Puppy.
Puppy.
He's a serious dog, you know. Serious dog, man. He don't leave our side one bit. Your eyes them foggy? Excuse, Puppy. Well, let me help you with that.
Too sugar and the pressure high.
Oh, the sugar and the pressure. Sorry, Puppy, sorry. You're not moving? Yes.
Two of them high.
Oh, the
Sugar and
pressure, and they both high.
yes. So then, not take out the teeth. So
Yes.
Not to go back.
That's what you were telling us when we thought that you went to the dentist, but because your sugar and pressure is high, they couldn't do any extraction. So they say what? What they tell you to do?
Come back.
Come back. Oh, so that means you have to check with the clinic to see if the pressure and the sugar gone down before you go back. How you going to know it?
They know when they low, when they alright.
Oh, you know when you're alright?
But we still I go check with them.
Yes, check with
And they
them.
walking up, they go there, madam.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah, we come up back.
Oh, so they don't come to you?
No, no.
Oh, you have to go to them? Oh, Lord. So you know which day you want to go?
What, second Friday.
Second?
In the month.
Oh, okay, okay. So
At that time,
Friday.
doctor come.
Okay. All right. So, Miss Topsy, so you know, the last time we came and we did the interview with you, and so persons would have seen it.
Yes.
And you know, many persons say you're a nice and warm woman. They like how you know, they like your whole disposition and so on. And so a number of our donors would have reached out to us and ask us to get you some groceries. And so that is why we are here this morning.
Yes.
Right? Because we would have purchased some items for you and we bring them come. Yeah, we know you say, because the last time you mentioned that you like coffee, so we have coffee and we have some chicken and we have a lot of stuff. Yes.
But the thing there, the thing like flour, wheat.
Wheat flour.
Oh,
Yes, wheat flour.
we don't touch it yet.
Oh, you're never sure what it was?
Me know me see it already.
Yes.
And
Oh.
me have the rice and me have the tin fish. But the rice is nice too.
You know, love it. You know, love it. It's tough. Okay.
Same like one where they have at this supermarket. The brown rice. Tough.
Oh, you know, love the brown rice.
Yeah, I eat me fi eat.
But you know, love it.
I eat me fi eat, but me not love it.
Oh, Lord.
So when time me ready, me still cook it.
Yeah, maybe you have to steam it and, you know, get it as tender as is possible.
Yes.
Yes,
They put
under
it
the
on
low
early.
heat. Ah, yeah. Yes, man. So you have quite a number. So we bring your toiletries and alcohol. You have, you know, quite a number of stuff. You'll see it when you open it. And we bring your eggs in this bag here, so you have to be careful with it. You hear?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
Yes.
Yes, and we have to say thanks to our donors as well who made this possible. And so I'm just going to refer to these donors by their initials. So we want to say thank you to JJ from the UK. Thanks to YK from the UK. She has been on board for a while and has been assisting us, and we're more than grateful to her. Also SB out of the UK and the JW from New York. Thank you guys. God bless you. May your store baskets never be empty. All right, and we are most appreciative of your donations.
Yes.
Yes, man.
They're really good.
Yes, man.
And faithful.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And everything, somebody give me to get it in the time I want.
So it come just in time.
Yes.
Just in time.
Not you alone, not these people.
Yes.
Baptists.
Yes.
At my church, so they remember them sometimes. Send up things to me.
And you're saying anytime anybody at all give you something, it just come just at the right time when you're in need of it.
Just at the right time.
Yes. So see, God provides something for you,
Yes.
so you'll be okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And that's nice. But otherwise, it's all right.
Yes. So, Miss Topsy, you remember too, when we came the last time, you asked us to check out the NIS for you, which we did, right? So, what we were told was, because when they check their system, there's nothing due for you. So, you know, you remember when you went, they said that you would not have paid enough, so there was nothing. But this time, they never tell us that, but, you know, there was nothing there. But they introduced us to something, which is a new program. I don't know if it is new, but it's different from what we went to check about. So what it's called is the social pension program.
Yes, we hear it from the radio.
Oh, you hear it? Okay, you're well informed, man. All right, so I think what she said is that as long as you pass the age of 75, you can apply for it, and it's not hard. So they gave us a form, and we're going to have to fill it out for you. And then, you know, you can sign it, and then we drop it off with the birth certificate, the NIS, and your TRN.
You have no birth certificate?
You don't have no birth certificate?
No, one time one storm did come, and the house did top blow up. The time we live St. Anne's, the top blew up, so I saw it, me get lost of it. No birth certificate.
Okay, I'm gonna have to find out what you do in this case. If there's another option for you, like or you don't have the birth certificate, so we can find that out. You know, but if you had it, then you'd submit that along with the form and the TRN and the NIS, and that would allow you now. Once that application is approved, every 2 months, they say you get $6,800. So you know. It's not much, but it's better than none at all, and it's yes.
Big help.
So I'm gonna have to find out for you, though, Miss Topsy, you know what we do. Like you say, you don't have the birth certificate. I don't know if it is that they'll say you have to reapply for one or so. I don't know, or if there's another option, maybe a letter or something you could take in instead. I don't know. I'll find out, though. You hear?
Yes.
I'll find out.
Well, the main reason with me now, me can't manage one word for things one time from me, I go remember. So what me going to do? Anytime me extract me
the teeth.
Yes, me take time and do what me want.
Yes. Yeah, I understand.
Yes. One thing at a time.
Yes. All right, so I guess that's it, and you're looking good. We're glad we get to come again.
Yes.
Oh my God, though the hill seem a bit tougher this time than the last time for some reason.
Because you have been road.
But I name me, I carry it, Miss Topsy. Oh boy.
God bless you.
Oh my God. Yes. Oh wow.
Anytime me go out I try. Any business at all. Whether me go a clinic or if me go to buy something.
Yes.
Me have to take taxi to come up.
Yes.
Because me can't manage it. A hill to come up.
Yes,
when I pick me now, me quick time me run go out and come back. Me can't do it again. All down there so.
Yes. So it's harder. You could never walk from Troy to come up here because it's very far.
Yes.
You
So,
definitely have to take a taxi.
Me take time walk out.
Yes.
Because I downhill.
Right.
But when me come up,
it's rough. You'd have to stop and rest. To take you all day.
Whole day. Yes.
All right, Miss Topsy. So, like I say, we'll check out the NIS for you.
Yes.
You know, and like you say, you can't do too many things one time. So you go do the extraction first, and then after that, no, you say, you know, we can move on to the other thing. But I'll still try. Marcel and I will still try to find out what can be done.
Yeah.
So we can work on that and you focus on the dentist part.
Yes, yes.
Yes. All right, so you see, we share it up now. So you
Yes.
take a part and we take a part.
Yes. Thank you.
You are welcome.
I asked my granddaughter a long time, but she's so busy.
Yes. You are asking her to check out the NIS for you?
Yes, and she said, if we try go out of the school and get one paper out here. But sometimes me really can't manage your walking.
Yeah, it's hard. All right, no problem. We'll check on it for you. And it's so nice when we called you the other day. You actually answer your phone. You heard it ringing this time. Wow. Okay, and we have some credit too. I almost forgot because one of our donors, she asked that you get credit. Yes, man, you can bring the phone and we do that. I did not remember. It's a lime phone you have, right?
Yes, but me not like lime.
Okay, good, because it's lime credit. All right, let me get that.
That charge was not so good, so I wonder if I hear something, I know what.
Oh, Marcel can look on that for you, but it on now.
Turn on, you see.
Oh, it on, man, it on. It on.
Maybe the battery have, but me no know.
I have a miss calling on Miss Topsy. Somebody was calling you.
When?
Oh, you check this. Okay. This morning it seemed.
What no?
9:30. Let me see. Oh, Lord have mercy. Is my number. But it's saved. Hold on. Let me check and make sure.
Well, yes, it is.
Oh, it's not my number. It's from 9:37 this morning. Kenisha call you 9 times.
I'm a granddaughter.
Oh, gosh. She's trying to get to you. You're going to have to call her back.
Yes.
Oh, it's a phone memory full. All right. Oh, this going to hold the lime credit.
Me don't understand that phone.
Oh, no. I don't know how to put on the lime credit.
This never the plug in good enough, so I'm not 5,000 for another charge.
Oh, Miss Topsy, this part never plug in properly here.
Oh.
So maybe that's why it wasn't charging.
Oh.
So when you plug it in, you have to ensure that this part is plugged in properly, not shaking or anything.
Yes.
Yeah, so maybe that is the problem. All right.
Yeah. Thanks.
Marcel, you know how to put on this credit?
No, I don't know nothing about them.
That one day, especially that.
It's okay, it's not hard. See here, dial 121,
Yes,
star 121. Oh, okay, you're on the way, man. You're a genius. Wait a minute. Okay. If we take some real focus here, myself, we put on this credit. I'm getting it. All right. Let's see. Okay, must be this one. Ah, there it is. Hold on. Okay. Oh, but Miss Topsy. Yeah, so it go on. You say primary balance is 2,059.33. Yes. See that? Look on this. All right, so you have credit now. Yeah, I think you did have some on it before that expired also.
Yes.
Yeah.
So 2,000 other.
Yes, yeah, but some was on it that expired.
Oh, yes, for me, 2 minutes I use it.
Yes.
sometimes the eye really can't.
So if you take too long to use it again, it's going to expire. I don't think it's the use is the issue. I think it's the top up. When you don't top up, like if you don't put on a credit on it after a while, then what's on it expire. So you have to top up again with credit.
Oh.
Yes.
Or me have to do it regular?
You know, maybe not so regular, not too sure. Maybe not. Maybe like
But
maybe once a month.
Sometimes we put on 100.
100. Yes. Okay. No
And my
problem.
granddaughter sent for me all the while.
Okay.
So I called you, I call now.
Yeah, so you have to call her, you know, and make sure you know you're alright. You know to...
You can't get out for me.
Let me try.
The same number.
You keep saying the memory is full. Oopsie. Okay, it's ringing.
Talk to her.
It's ringing.
Talk to her. I thank you for what you sent for me. And may the good Lord bless and keep you all. Thanks.
Yes. All right, guys. So this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much to all our donors. We are more than grateful. I can't reiterate it enough, you know, how grateful we are, because without you on board, a lot of the things that we do, we wouldn't be able to. So we're thanking God for the opportunity to be able to, and we're thanking you for coming on board. So God bless you. And this is where we end the video for today. Like we said before, blessed love. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, and bye-bye. All right.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. But Miss Topsy, we have to put these in for you because the box is heavy.
Yes.
And then, yes.
It is on the floor.
I'll put this one. Marcel can lift up the heavy one. So look at it. You see the eggs? You have to be careful so they don't fall out.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, thanks.
Yeah. Where do I put it?